Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Lifestyle Kyle. Today we're going to be working on my 2013 Mazda Miata. We got an ISR exhaust right here. We're going to be throwing it on. Oh man. I have already opened it, so I've already seen it. But that is just one beautiful piece of art. Good welds. I love it. It's going on. So let's have some fun. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Nuts, bolts, springs. There we go. Anything else? No decals? Lame.
Alright, quite frankly, I have never been under this car before. Ooh, got a nice little dinger in there. I have been under it at shops and stuff, but other than taking anything apart, all I ever put on was this trailer hitch because I wanted to tow some tires to the drift track. Other than that, it seems like we got some work to do. Cool up close and personal. Not a lot of room under here. First thing you're gonna want to move is this bad boy. That one right there. So this whole, man, look at this. Thing's falling apart. Always put bolts can put back for the moment back into place. You don't want to lose them. Try and use an impact wrench because it takes a lot of effort. I just smacked myself in the face. Did y'all see that? I love working on cars. It's a lot of fun. In case you're wondering what the springs are, this is it right here. Woohoo! I have to do something a little bit different from everybody else. This thing right here, I have to take it back out, which means I have to take my bumper off. You won't have to do this, but this ain't going nowhere because it's actually stuck on top. The last of the stock exhaust is out. The belly of the beast. Fucking cut my thumb. Woo, that's a little better. All right, look at that. Yeah. So this is like, it's fucking on there. Easy. Yay. Hopefully that gets it all in there. Yeah, just pry it off, guys. That's how you do it. Little bit by little, all the way around. I mean, there's probably a tool to do this, but you know how it goes. Sometimes you just don't want to spend 20 bucks on an extra tool. Oh, look at that. All right, let's put the new one on. why they have you replace this. Maybe because it doesn't even fit. Well, ISR, if you're watching, fix it. What's up, everyone? Just enough battery life to show you I finished. Put the whole entire Miata back together. Here we go. Got the full exhaust put into place. One thing I wish I would have done a little bit different is right here at that midsection right there. I should have put that together first. That was really difficult to get that together. I didn't film doing it because I was kind of getting frustrated with it, but everything else went together pretty smoothly. The fitment is very, very nice. Everything is very tucked, as you can see. Good ground clearance. I think it's actually better than the stock exhaust because my stock exhaust had a crap ton of dents in it. Oh yeah, that's a good look. You can fish that sucker. Woo! Turns out there is a slight problem. It is the next day, but the ISR exhaust, I took it for a drive last night. I didn't film because it was really dark. It is melting my bumper. I'm gonna trim my bumper, okay? This will make things a lot better. Also, it's rattling up against the differential a little bit, so I'm gonna heat wrap it to try and reduce the rattling. So, let's get to work. All right, there's the problem right there. Runs a little too close to this right here. So when it's at idle, this is the cut I'm planning to make on top of this blue line right here. This is the perfect height, and this should get rid of, look at all that they got cooked by the exhaust. Jeez. Look at that, with a big old black mark. So I'm gonna cut this up and get it put on, get the heat wrap put on the other part of the exhaust and see how it goes. Got the heat wrap on this part. Hopefully that reduces the noise a lot. I doubled it up right here, so yeah, it's not the best wrapping job in the world, but I think that's where it was hitting. So, and I think it's actually just resting up against there now, so it shouldn't even move out. This is how you get melted wax off your exhaust. Heat gun and a towel, and then hit it with a polishing afterwards. This is the finished product. She's a beaut. Looks good, baby. Looks good. I love it. Love it. That is right, everyone. Stock Miata and an ISR exhaust. You can shoot flames. I wouldn't believe in myself, but thanks to my boy Tyson for recording that bonus clip. So without any further ado, if you guys enjoy what you watched, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So without any further ado, y'all have a great day. Peace.